Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the ERR connection timed out error on your Android phone using simple steps. First, restart your device and your internet modem. This helps fix temporary network glitches. Turn off your phone, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Also, restart your Wi-Fi router if you are using one. Next, we will clear the Chrome cache and data. Before going into settings, keep in mind that every Android brand has different placement of features, so find the options accordingly on your mobile phone. Now go to Settings, then Apps, find Chrome, tap on Storage, and select Clear Cache. After that, tap Clear Data. This removes temporary files that may cause the error. Now, check if you are using a VPN or proxy. If yes, turn off the VPN app. Also, go to your Wi-Fi settings, open your connected network, and make sure no proxy is set. Finally, update your apps and system. Open the Play Store and update Chrome if available. Then go to Settings, System, and System Update to make sure your Android version is up to date. Thanks for watching.